ओके, कैंडिडा ड्रॉ ए कैरेक्टर स्केच ऑफ मॉरल। आज हम पढ़ाएंगे आपको एक कैरेक्टर स्केच ऑफ मॉरल जो कि कैंडिडा का मेन कैरेक्टर है। ओके, इंट्रोडक्शन। Morell is a Christian socialist clergyman of the Church of England, as well as an active member of the Guild of St. Matthew and Christian Social Union. As a preacher, he is very popular and is invited from place to place. Morell loves his wife Candida very much. He claims that Candida is an idle housewife and he can't live without her. Okay, next point है हमारा एक ग्रेट प्रीचर। ग्रेट प्रीचर एक महान वक्ता। Morell is a great preacher. Okay, he is fond of preaching. उसे उपदेश देना बहुत पसंद है और वो एक बहुत अच्छा वक्ता भी है। When there is a conversation about his wife Candida, जब भी उसकी वाइफ के बारे में कोई भी कन्वर्सेशन होता है, कोई भी बातचीत होती है, then the great importance of happy marriage life he preaches, तो वो हमेशा अपनी हैप्पी मैरिज लाइफ के बारे में, उसके महत्व के बारे में ही हमेशा प्रीच करता है, हमेशा उपदेश देता है। ओके, ही रिगार्ड्स इट ए ग्रेट ब्लेसिंग टू हैव ए वर्चुअस वाइफ लाइक कैंडिडा, और वो इस बात के लिए बहुत रिगार्ड करता है, बहुत सम्मान देता है कि उसकी वाइफ कैंडिडा बहुत ज़्यादा गुणी है। ओके, नेक्स्ट है आपका नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है ए मर्सीफुल मैन। ए मर्सीफुल मैन। ओके, मॉरल इज ए मर्सीफुल मैन। मॉरल कौन है? एक मर्सीफुल मैन है। एंड ही फाइंड्स मार्टिन एज एन ऑर्फन एंड टेक्स हिम टू हिज होम। वो मार्टिन को, जो कि एक अनाथ लड़का है, उसको अपने घर पर लेकर आ जाता है। मर्सीफुल का मीन क्या होता है? दयावान। कैंडिडा टू लव द बॉय वेरी मच, और कैंडिडा भी उस बॉय को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेम करती है। व्हेन मॉरल क्लेम्स दैट ही लव्स कैंडिडा, जब मॉरल ये दावा करता है दैट ही लव्स कैंडिडा, कि वो कैंडिडा को प्रेम करता है, मॉरल टेक्स मार्टिन इनफैचुएशंस फॉर कैंडिडा फॉर ए काफ लव। इट्स मीन दैट मॉरल ये नोटिस करता है कि जो मार्टिन है वो भी कैंडिडा की तरफ इन्फेक्टेड हो रहा है। इट्स मीन दैट वो भी उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो रहा है। एंड दिस लव जस्ट लाइक ए काफ एंड काओ, ये प्रेम किसकी तरह है? गाय बछड़े की तरह। ओके, वो मार्टिन की कंपेयर किससे करता है? काफ से। ओके, व्हेन ही accuses Morell for ill-treating Candida, Morell grows angry. When he accuses Morell, जब मार्टिन मॉरल को ill-treating बिहेव के लिए गुस्सा करता है, ये कहता है कि वो तुम इरिटेट कर रहे हो किससे? कैंडिडा से। कैंडिडा से तुम बहुत बुरा व्यवहार करते हो। देन मॉरल गोज एंग्री, तब मॉरल बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा हो जाता है, बहुत ज़्यादा क्रोधित हो जाता है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है एन ऑनेस्ट मैन, एक ईमानदार व्यक्ति। ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या हो गया हमारा? एक ईमानदार व्यक्ति। मॉरल इज एन ऑनेस्ट मैन। ही इज अगेंस्ट कैंडिडा's father who exploits poor workers and wants Morell's help in promoting his business. Morell becomes angry and wishes to discontinue relations with a selfish and greedy man like his father-in-law. Okay? Next point है a miserable man. A miserable man. Morell claims that Marchwings is misguided and confused. It seems his soul is possessed by some ill thoughts or some devil-like person is provoking him to speak these moral bonds the young boy to think seriously on what he says. It is terribly easy to speak such things without knowing how greatly such charge may shake a man's faith in himself. Okay? His happy married life may be discussed within no time. It is not a gentle action, but a devil's work to take advantage of a man's broken spirit. Candida has never complained of this nature, and she is managing the family in her own way as happily as possible. Marchwings has no right to remark on their personal life. He should take care of what he is doing. If he does not take care, the consequences may be harmful to Marchwings. Marchwings claims that in Morell's meeting, the audience behaved as if they were drunk. Morell's speech aroused excitement, but fails in suggesting wise ways to solve the real problem of mankind. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है मॉरल एनवी। मॉरल का शत्रु। Morell is foolish enough to think that perhaps Candida did not allow him to be intimate. Marchwing claimed that his refusal would never have saved him. It was her permission to allow him to speak freely what he feels for her. He could say that he worshipped her. In this way, she removed his suppressed desires and purified his mind. Marchwing claims that Morell is not worthy enough to live with Candida, for Morell is narrow-minded. Candida was sure that Marchwing could not have any wicked feeling for her. She removed his suppressed feelings. Morell should admit that Candida is wiser than him. She was alone, yet she did not fear, for she had firm faith in herself. She knew that Marchwing's feeling for her should be purified. She allowed him to express inward feeling for her. मार्चविंग्स को वह कहती है कि अपनी तुम्हारी जो भी इनर फीलिंग्स है उन्हें एक्सप्रेस करो। इट इज़ हर मैच्योरिटी, ये उसकी मैच्योरिटी है Therefore, Marchwings worship her. Marchwings क्या करता है? उसकी वर्शिप करता है, मतलब पूजा करता है. Morell's happiness. लास्ट ऑप्शन है इसका Morell's happiness, मॉरल की खुशी. ओके. Morell and Candida remain satisfied their little family. Candida has to fulfill at the needs of her husband. For that, she has to be something. She has to be sometimes James' mother and sometimes his sister and his wife, mother to his children. Practically, she is all in one. She attempts all keeping Morell's mind free from all the tensions. She does not allow anybody to worry Morell and disturb his beautiful sermons. She built a castle of comfort, luxury, and love for Morell. She guarded from chaos and treated him well, for he is master of it. When Morell thought Candida might go away with Marchwing, he feared for her livelihood, his position, for her dignity. He is so greatly devoted to her. Morell confirmed what he is the result of her efforts. Candida is not only his wife but also his mother as well as his sister. Morell's happiness. Thus, Morell is an inspiring character. इस प्रकार ये कह सकते हैं कि Morell का जो कैरेक्टर है इसमें वो बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग कैरेक्टर है. Morell के कैरेक्टर से हमें क्या मिलती है? प्रेरणा मिलती है. So, thus we can say that Morell is an inspiring character in Candida. Okay?